Join me as I try to paint a stunning summer landscape on this tiny canvas. Let's see if I can pull it off. There's something so charming about painting on a small scale, isn't there? Maybe it's the sense of intimacy, or the challenge of capturing a big scene on a tiny surface. Whatever it is, I just love the idea of creating a miniature masterpiece that can fit in the palm of your hand. And what better subject to paint than a stunning summer landscape? One of the biggest challenges I think artists face when trying to capture the essence of summer landscapes is choosing the right colors. You want to evoke that warm, sunny feeling, but it's easy to end up with a painting that looks more like a mess of bright hues than a serene summer scene. Another challenge is composition. How do you balance the different elements of your painting to create a sense of harmony? I think one of the biggest mistakes artists make when painting summer landscapes is failing to create depth. You want your painting to feel like you could step right into it, not like it's just a flat, two-dimensional image. And that can be tough, especially when you're working on a small scale like this. Finally, I think a lot of artists struggle with capturing the feeling of movement and energy in their summer landscapes. You want to convey the sense of a breeze rustling through the trees, or the sound of waves crashing against the shore. In the next few minutes, I'll be walking you through my process for creating a stunning summer landscape on this mini canvas. I'll show you my techniques for blending colors, creating depth, and adding details to bring your painting to life. So grab your own mini canvas and paints, and let's get started. First, I'm going to start with a rough sketch of my composition. I want to get the basic elements of my painting in place before I start adding color. Next, I'll start blocking in my colors, working from background to foreground. I'm using a combination of yellow ochre and titanium white to create a warm, sunny sky. Then, I'll start adding in my trees and foliage, using a mix of greens and browns to create depth and dimension. As I work, I'm trying to think about how I can create movement and energy in my painting. I'm using loose brushstrokes and soft edges to give my trees a sense of movement, and I'm adding in a few subtle highlights to catch the viewer's eye. I'm also trying to think about how I can create a sense of atmosphere in my painting, using misty blues and purples to evoke the feeling of a warm summer evening. As I add more and more detail to my painting, I can start to see it come together. The trees are starting to look like they're swaying in the breeze, and the water is starting to sparkle in the sunlight. It's amazing how much life and energy you can bring to a painting just by adding in a few subtle details. And there you have it, my stunning summer landscape is finally complete. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I hope you are too. The key to creating a painting like this is all about layering and building up your colors and textures gradually. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have a favorite summer scene or a painting topic you'd love to see me tackle next, be sure to leave a comment below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more art tutorials and inspiration. I'll see you in the next video.